You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this originally French brand. If you want to learn more confusing names, and if you want to learn, by the way, the name of the full name of what it means, stay tuned, I've got a video for you. MAVIC is the French pronunciation, it's how it's said in French, therefore the original pronunciation of the brand. Therefore, in English, it's normally pronounced as MAVIC, 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 MAVIC. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.